This week we are back out at the landfill for our third and final round. On the 10th of September, I received a video from one of the supervisors out at the landfill. It showed a pig rooting up in an area in broad daylight, and it's clearly unbothered by human activity. On the 16th, Daryl and I come and remove the panels. We change out SD cards and fill the feeder. On the 21st, we get our first visitor, and of course, it's Old Spot. This marks a month that I've been chasing him. We had no action for a few days, but on the 28th, we get a notification. We've got 12 pigs visiting our bait site. They hang around, getting their bellies full over the next few hours. On the 29th, the supervisor sends me another video of a sow and her 2 piglets at the weigh station. Obviously, they're very comfortable around vehicles and people. And just like clockwork, I get a notification about 15 minutes after her text. Exactly what we wanted to see. The next morning, the sow and her 2 piglets show up and feed for over an hour. Step 2 of our capture success matrix is proprietary and not shown on our YouTube channel. On the 2nd, we show up and install the panels. We do a test drop, lift the gate, insert the safety pin, and bait 4 to 6 feet away from the threshold. We reset the other gate and exit the trap before removing our safety pin. At 10:25, Daryl and I leave the trap site. At 10:41, we get a notification. I pull over, pull up my Jager Pro app, hit the live stream button, and press record. I make sure the pigs are in a good distance before hitting the drop gate command. We arrive back at the trap site and decide to let Tiffany try her hand at dispatching the pigs. One shot and she takes down the sow.
Look at you!
We dispatch the 2 juveniles, line them up dress right dress, and snap a photo for ours and the landfill's records. 3 days later, I get a notification. I pull up my Jager Pro app and hit the live stream button. I recognize the first few pigs as part of the original 12. I press record and wait patiently. Eventually, I see 11 of the 12 enter the trap. I know from a previous encounter that there is a white and black juvenile that has his snout missing that won't enter the trap, so I make the decision to go ahead and drop the gates. I arrive at the trap site and slip in with my thermal scope rifle. I see the snoutless pig, line up a safe shot, and I lay him down. I then dispatch the ones in the trap and line them up dress right dress before snapping a photo for ours and the landfill's records. On New Year's Eve, while sitting in the office, I get a notification that I almost didn't check because of no action except for deer since October. But I pulled it up, and much to my surprise, the outlaw Old Spot has walked into the trap. I hit the live stream button, press record, and watched as the gates fell. I arrive at the trap site and I put an end to the 4-month-long pursuit and the legend of Old Spot. I snap a photo for mine and the landfill's records and I load him up. It goes quiet for a while, but the cooler weather proved to be beneficial. I get a notification on the 18th with 9 pigs in the trap. On the 19th, I come by the trap site to refill the feeder. For the next couple of days, nothing hits the site. It isn't until the 30th that our sounder shows back up, but this time only with 7. I play the patience game in hopes that the others will show. Later that night, some of them show for a short period of time, but I never see all 9 in the trap. Patience is a necessity when you're trapping. I observed them from January 30th to February 4th, and 7 has been my consistent number. When I get a notification at 21:38, I pull up my Jager Pro app, hit the live stream button, and then press record. I make sure they are inside the trap a good distance and send the drop gate command. I arrive at the trap site and dispatch the 7 pigs. I then line them up, dress right dress, and snap a photo for mine and the landfill's records before hauling them away. Clearly, I know there is at least 2 other pigs out here, so on the 10th, myself and my little helper arrive and refill the feeder and change out the batteries. On the 11th, I get a notification. One of the 2 boars have walked into our trap. I hit the live stream, begin recording, and I drop the gates. I arrive and dispatch him. I snap a photo for mine and the landfill records, and I haul him away. 2 days later, the second boar walks into our trap and I repeat the process. I snap a photo for mine and the landfill's records and dispose of the pig. From this point, the project has become a management project, where in the beginning we were running 2 to 3 men, a trap, and thermal shooting 2 to 3 times a week. It has become a one-man, once-a-month project to keep the pigs at bay. For all the naysayers out there, this project in itself proves that the whole sounder success is not just a theory. It is a proven method that works. In less than a year, we have removed over 98 pigs from this project alone.
Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment, learn more about integrated wild pig control methods, or locate our nearest authorized dealers. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel to view the entire instructional video series, or like our Facebook page. If you have a segment idea, or just want to leave us a comment or suggestion, feel free to email us at info@jagerpro.com.